How can one possibly and honestly investigate itself and render a fair and unbiased judgment, much like grading or rating self-performance? A question newly minted DPWH chief posed to a gaggle of reporters on his decision to abolish the in-house investigation unit his predecessor created, as our Kenneth Paciente reports.
DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon has abolished the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Committee, the investigating body formed by former DPWH Secretary Manny Bonoan. The committee was intended to investigate corruption cases involving agency officials in connection with defective flood control projects. Dizon said that an investigation into alleged irregularities within the agency should not be conducted by the agency itself.
Hindi po ako naniniwala ng organisasyon dapat imbestigahan ang sarili niya. Hindi po ata tama yun.
Although the committee was formed at a time where there was still no directive from the chief executive, he said the investigation of flood control project anomalies should be turned over to a newly formed independent body.
Para ho sa akin, nagsalita na po ang Pangulo, magtatayo po siya ng independent commission. Ibigay po natin sa independent commission ang responsibilidad at authority to investigate.
But what will happen to the initial information gathered by the committee that will be abolished? Dizon stressed,
Lahat po yon ipapasa po natin sa independent commission. Yun po ang tingin ko ang dapat na mangyari. Kakalap po kami kasama ng bagong team na papasok sa DPWH nung impormasyon sa loob ng departamento. At yun po ay papasa natin sa Independent Commission.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. was also asked about reports that Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong would be part of the independent investigating body. But the President responded,
I don't want to talk about it until buo na. Hindi pa namin nabubuo yung plano. But we'll talk about it. Malapit na yan. Very, very soon.
As for Secretary Dizon, he said he sees no problem if Magalong is appointed, pointing out his determination to hold both corrupt DPWH officials and contractors accountable. However, he added that it is still up to the President to decide who will lead the independent body.
I'd rather not say. Wala po sa posisyon ko yan. No? Yan po ay sole prerogative ng ating Pangulo at dapat po pagtiwalaan po natin at respetuhin natin ang desisyon ng ating Pangulo.
Dizon also said he will be making inspections of flood control projects in the coming days. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.